From my previous tutorial, you learned how to create elegant glassmorphic card for your project. If you want to use more elements like this, you have to take care of the right visual hierarchy for glass elements. I will show you how to do that in just 4 simple steps. For the purpose of the tutorial, I use Sketch, but if you are a Figma user, you will easily repeat all the steps in your design tool. Let's start with 3 glassmorphic layers. First, let's add a subtle shadow. It is the basic technique that helps you to show which elements are on top of each other. Now, let's differentiate the blur. Like in the real world, higher the element is, the background seems to be more blurred. The elements at the bottom will have lower blur value. Next, let's differentiate opacity. The lower elements will have less opacity. For the purpose of the tutorial, I used 36% of opacity for the highest element and just 16% opacity to the lowest element. Finally, let's add the border. While I'm not a huge fan of adding the borders to the elements, the stroke around glass elements seems to work nicely. A subtle white border will do the way. You may make it just 1 pixel stroke, but for the purpose of the tutorial I used a bit higher value. As you can see, same steps than in Figma give the same good results for the visual hierarchy. That's it. Use this technique for your elements and see how they strengthen the visual hierarchy. Here is a little sample from me. To achieve good results, designers have to observe real materials and mimic their behavior in digital. This tutorial was also the result of this kind of observations. That's all for today. I hope you found this useful. Don't forget to follow me by clicking subscribe button, and see you soon.